it's Anita, and I'm here today to take you all along the journey as I reorganize our pantry. It's not that large because we had it added a few years ago when I realized we had some space behind the wall. So, hey, what better to do than to add a pantry? So I'm going to take out everything in the pantry, kind of go through it, see what needs to be tossed out, what we're going to keep. And then after that, I'm going to actually put everything back in the cabinet just to kind of see what type of containers I need to purchase. I don't like going to purchase containers prior to knowing what I need to purchase. So I always put the stuff back into a space, and then I'll know like exactly what size items I need to purchase and how many. So come along with me. Okay, you guys, I've gotten everything out of the pantry. I had to use all my space in the kitchen, even the sink, but I've gotten it all out. I'm going to go through everything. I'm going to throw away what needs to be thrown away, and then I'm going to clean this pantry because evidently you don't know how dirty your pantry is until you take everything out. So don't worry about that dirt there. I'm going to get that all cleaned out, and then I'm going to put everything back in to the pantry so I can see what type of containers and what size I need. So here you see I've put everything out. I've threw away so much stuff. I'm like almost embarrassed to say how much stuff I threw away, but this is what's remaining, and I hope I can find something really good for the Ziploc bags, because that's just a trouble spot for me. But anyway, this is what I have left, and I'm going to find some type of container. So it's time to go shopping. So this being my first time in the Container Store, one great thing was they did have like a 25% off sale on a lot of the products. But I must say I was a bit disappointed with the Container Store. I guess I was just so geeked about going. I really built my hopes up. So a lot of the things were a bit pricey. Of course, the things that were on sale were, they were okay price, but I've seen these same products, like in stores like Home Goods, at home, and, other stores that we frequent. That was a lot cheaper, but things like this riser for $11.98, and that was the sale price. I just thought things were a little bit pricey. So I'm just going to go through and let you all see some of the things that they have. If you're looking for multiple things all in one space and you have the finances to do so, then this is a great place for you to shop, because you'll definitely find everything that you need in the Container Store if you don't like to shop a lot. But I'm a shopper, so I don't mind going to multiple stores to get what I want. So enjoy as I go through the Container Store. Well, the only thing I purchased at the Container Store was something to hold my stemware in, as well as the Ziploc bags. So on to the next store. You guys, I've totally slept on Five Below. I was able to get everything I needed here. They have a beautiful supply of containers and baskets, and they're all well made. So I was able to get everything here and finish my product. Check it out. So I figured I'd give you all a full glance of what you see coming through our foyer and then coming into the kitchen. This is the pantry, and we have the window pane glass door on the front of the pantry. So this is what it looks like with the door closed. So let's take a look inside. As you all know, I absolutely love decor, so I had to add a bit of flair to my pantry. So I added the wonderful fall leaves to each basket instead of labeling them. The baskets are really nice height, so that way I can actually see what's in each basket without having to label it. So I decided to add the wonderful leaves, and here they are. As you see, I've laid the cans down. Instead of setting them up, it gave me much more space to work with doing it like this, and it's actually really worked out well for me. As you see, the Ziploc bags, I've just been having a really hassle with that. I purchased the stand for it, but it didn't work out. It was really bulky. You have to take out the whole thing. So this way in the basket, I have everything where I could just kind of like pick it and just go. So it works out really well with the basket. So here it is. I'm not completely finished in the bottom part of the pantry there with the sugar and all, so I'm still working through that. But all in all, I'm pretty much finished with this. So I'm going to be going on to the next task. So here is our pantry, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it all. I love shopping with it. You all know I did. So please come on by my channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.